When it comes to replacing or installing new windows in your Little Rock home, the choice of materials plays a critical role in the overall performance, aesthetics, and durability of your windows. Among the most popular options are vinyl and wood, each offering distinct advantages and considerations. If you're deciding between these two materials for your home in Little Rock, understanding the key differences can help you make an informed choice that suits your needs, budget, and style preferences. Climate considerations in Little Rock. Before diving into the specifics of vinyl and wood windows, it's essential to consider the climate in Little Rock. With its hot, humid summers and mild winters, Little Rock experiences a range of weather conditions that can impact the longevity and performance of your windows. High humidity levels can affect certain materials differently, which makes the choice between vinyl and wood even more crucial for homeowners in the area. Vinyl windows. Durability meets affordability. Vinyl windows have gained popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, these windows are incredibly durable and resistant to many of the environmental factors that can cause wear and tear in other materials. Here are some key benefits of vinyl windows. Affordability. Vinyl is often the more budget-friendly option compared to wood. For homeowners looking to replace windows without breaking the bank, vinyl can be an attractive choice. Low maintenance. One of the most significant advantages of vinyl windows is their low maintenance requirements. Vinyl doesn't need to be painted, stained, or sealed, making it a hassle-free option for busy homeowners. Unlike wood, it won't warp, crack, or rot over time, even in the humid conditions of Little Rock. Energy efficiency. Vinyl windows are known for their energy efficiency. With insulated frames and the ability to incorporate energy-saving glass options, vinyl windows can help keep your home cool during Little Rock's hot summers and reduce your energy bills. Customization. Vinyl windows come in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing you to choose a style that complements your home's exterior without the need for regular upkeep. Although vinyl windows cannot be painted, many manufacturers offer a wide range of colors to suit your aesthetic needs. While vinyl windows have many benefits, they do come with a few drawbacks. For one, they may not offer the same classic, timeless appearance as wood windows. Additionally, some homeowners feel that vinyl can have a slightly less premium feel compared to natural wood. Wood windows. Timeless beauty with a higher commitment. Wood windows have long been a favorite for homeowners who value craftsmanship, tradition, and aesthetic appeal. If you're looking for windows that provide a warm, natural look and feel, wood might be the material for you. Here are some reasons to consider wood windows. Aesthetic appeal. Wood windows are unmatched when it comes to beauty and charm. The rich textures and grains of natural wood add character to any home, especially in neighborhoods with historic or traditional architectural styles. If your Little Rock home has a classic or timeless design, wood windows can enhance its visual appeal. Customizable finish. One of the key advantages of wood windows is that they can be painted or stained to match your home's style, giving you a high degree of customization. Whether you want a modern color or a more traditional look, wood windows offer the flexibility to change over time. Longevity. With proper maintenance, wood windows can last for decades. They offer excellent insulation and natural resistance to heat and cold, making them a suitable option for the varying weather conditions in Little Rock. The thermal properties of wood can help keep your home comfortable year-round. However, wood windows do require more maintenance than vinyl. To prevent rot, warping, or insect damage, you'll need to regularly paint, seal, or stain them. In the humid Little Rock climate, this maintenance can be more demanding. Additionally, wood windows tend to be more expensive than vinyl, both in terms of initial cost and upkeep. Making the right choice for your Little Rock home. When choosing between vinyl and wood windows, there are several factors to consider. Vinyl windows are ideal if you're looking for a cost-effective, low-maintenance option that performs well in Little Rock's humid climate. Their durability and energy efficiency make them a practical choice for many homeowners. On the other hand, if you're seeking a timeless, high-end look and are willing to invest in regular maintenance, wood windows can provide unmatched beauty and insulation. For historic homes or those with traditional designs, wood windows can add significant value and curb appeal. Ultimately, the choice between vinyl and wood depends on your priorities, affordability and low maintenance, or aesthetic appeal and long-term investment. Whichever material you choose, Upgrading your windows is a valuable investment that can enhance your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and style. Whether you prefer the hassle-free nature of vinyl or the classic beauty of wood, both materials have the potential to elevate your Little Rock home's exterior while providing the comfort and protection you need.